Hello everyone. Start off by taking a small section of the hair off one of the sides. Make multiple twists by adding more and more sections into it. Do this on the other side as well and tie it up at the back. Take two more sections and roll the hair in on itself. Repeat this step until you reach the base. For our next hairdo, take a small section of the hair from the right side, add a rubber band to it and roll the section of the hair in on itself. Do the same on the left side as well. After you are done rolling it up, then join it at the center at the back. Add a bow. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail and then using your finger, roll it up into a bun. Add a bow at the top. Take a small section of the hair off the top of the scalp, add a rubber band to it. Divide the hair in the middle and then roll the hair in on itself to form these two twists. Loosen the hair and lift it up to make a bun. Start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp. Take two more sections on either side, join it up in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Tighten it using your fingers. Take two more sections on either side, join it in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Do this until you reach the base and then begin to braid the hair at the bottom. Make a normal braid out of it, add a rubber band once you are done. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail and then slightly twist the hair. Using your fingers, make a bun out of it and fasten it using a banana clip in place. Next, take off the top section of the hair and add a rubber band to it. Using your fingers and the hole that is present, make a bun out of it as such. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Make a bun out of it and the loose ends, lift it upwards and pin it into place. Tie another rubber band over it. Thank you for watching.